SAMEBIKE comes from people's dream of low carbon, healthy, and fashionable life. SAMEBIKE, not only a famous lithium electric bicycle brand, but also a ubiquitous green lifestyle. We need a low carbon, green, and environmentally friendly living environment. Sameway Group has 2 factories, 5 overseas warehouses, and 3 after-sale service centers. Fully connect in global market. SAMEBIKE covers in Europe Union, North America, Japan, South Korea, Middle East, Australia, and other countries and regions. Commit to provide professional and high-quality lithium e-bike for global users. Sameway Group is committed to creating global green travel and providing professional and high-quality lithium e-bike for global users. SAMEBIKE, the first brand of smart leisure green travel lithium electric bicycle, adhering to the excellent craftsman concept, makes lithium electric bicycle deeply rooted in the hearts of the people, benefiting global users.